This video is about the super fun and easy to use Japanese word wakuwaku suru. Wakuwaku suru describes the feeling of excitement and when you're looking forward for something amazing to happen. Let me give you an example from Gon from Hunter x Hunter, where he spoke about his moment when he almost died and said that he felt excitement at that moment.
ちょっとワクワクしてたんだ。
Now you can also use it in everyday life. For example, when you're looking forward and are excited about a movie, you can say 映画が楽しみでワクワクしてる。
ワクワクするね。
Or likewise, you can say it when you're excited about your trip. You can say 旅行が楽しみでワクワクしてる。And now it's your turn. What are you wakuwaku about right now? Share it in the comments and see you in the next one. またね。